Respected teacher and education community, today I visit Jantar Mantar in Delhi to understand the reality of organizing a peacefully protest. After going there and speaking with people, I realized the getting permission is not as easy as it looks from outside. And honestly, after seeing the location, I personally felt that it may not be most effective place for our voice to reach the concerned authorities. That's why I feel that if we move forward together in the future, then a peaceful and properly permitted representation near the CBSE office may be more meaningful. Of course, even for that, proper permission and planning will be necessary. What do you think about this? Please share your ideas in the comments. In the next video, I will also share more updates related to the CBSE office visit. Thank you so much.